Liam's ready. He's got his pie. He's got it by the balls there, by the meatballs. Ooh, don't do that. You're too big to be doing that.
I got the puppy. I want us to go outside.
Too bad.
Ooh.
You gonna cut it, or you gonna let Aaron do it? He can cut it. He's a man, baby.
Rufus.
See, you know how to work a pizza cutter. You've done this a time or two. This is the kid that's made a frozen pizza.
Rufus. Come here.
He's
Doofus.
too dumb. He's too dumb.
Good.
Oh, yeah. You. Come here.
That one piece has all the meatballs on it.
How's your mom?
Let's get a look at it
How's your
now.
mom?
Plates are up top.
Okay.
You can get your big plate or a little plate, either one.
He could get a big plate and put the whole thing on there.
He could, or he
You gotta do
could.
mukbang, Liam.
Hold on, I want to get a video of him tasting it, Aaron.
Half the room hasn't eaten already.
Well, I'm waiting. I'm still full
I'll
on.
eat everything.
The 3 bags of chips, Irish.
Can we just?
Ooh, cheesy.
Oh, yeah. My mom used to do her C's like.
You can go back. Let's go with taste the first. Okay. You got one. You got one of them. All right. I want to. Aaron's rushing you,
Where's Ray?
so scald over your mouth real quick. He's outside doing
School would
stupid
be like-
dances.
You
Uh
gotta get a meatball in there.
oh. Yeah, you dropped a meatball.
Corden. That's the way you spell Corden. Corden. That's what
Huh?
she said she did.
Huh? Huh?
But I
Oh,
like.
probably burns it on his mouth.
That's what everybody's
Mine
done.
is C-O-U.
It's not a good pizza unless the skin kind of peels off
The skin?
C-O-U.
of your mouth.
You don't have to do all that.
Delicious.